The Permian Basin Comicon held their annual event today at the Bush Convention Center. Big 2's Jake Eichstead was among all the excitement to see the adjustments they've made to accommodate the COVID-19 pandemic. Good evening, Jake.
Hey, Gian, I'm told this year was put on with the help of the city of Midland. With many events being canceled this year, the organizers of the Comicon were worried their event would have the same fate. But they implemented mask wearing, social distancing, and sanitizer stations to make sure their fans could all geek out together. Take a look.
You know, a lot of people haven't had the chance to interact on really any level for the last, 5 to 6 months. And so this is kind of one of those chances where, the environment's safe. So everybody's following everything that we've asked them to do. It's very safe, so they can get out of their house, see some stuff, maybe spend the day with, their kid or friend or whoever they'd like to, and just do something that's a part of the community.
The 6th annual Permian Basin Comicon looked a little different this year, but if you ask anyone here, they say different is better than nothing at all.
It's basically a place for this type of culture and the community to kind of get together. We do it once a year, and we celebrate everything pop culture and geeky.
They pushed it back to September from March, which they say gave them enough time to figure out how to run the convention safely.
In the end, they worked out. So like the social distancing, live panels, keeping people apart while they're together. It was challenging, but it's been worth it so far.
Permian Basin Comicon is not only a fun opportunity for people to dress up, mingle, and sightsee, but it's also an important business opportunity for local vendors and artists.
As a creator, it's been different because we've not had that avenue and outlet to be able to get our creations out. So we've had to get creative. We've had to create websites, to have an online presence, because we're lacking an actual physical event to appear at.
All parties involved say they're grateful for one another to make this year's event a success.
I think that's where the level of respect comes from, is them doing the things that we ask so that we can all do it together.
The Comicon event isn't over. It continues through tomorrow afternoon. More info is on our website, yourbasin.com. Reporting in studio, Jake Eichstead, Big 2 News.